guys.
Today.
Guys.
Dekat sangat tu. Dekat sangat.
Oke, standby, kamera ready, sound ready, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, good morning to Madam Loroti and I am Mahira Sani. So today we want to present about generic skill 2 and from PW4 result. So the objective today is first to apply the principle and operation of a BJT in common collector configuration. Second, to construct the CC circuit and measure voltage and current using a multimeter. And finally, to observe the relationship between input and output voltage in CC amplifier. So, the learning outcome about this generic skill is to identify the type and terminal of a BJT using its datasheet. Construct a common collector circuit correctly. Second, measure and record IB, IC, IE, BB, BBE, BE, and VCE accurately using a multimeter. So, the safety precaution about this generic skill, always switch off the power supply before connecting or disconnecting any component. Second, check all circuit connection carefully before turning on the power to prevent short circuit. Third, use the correct range when measuring current and voltage with a multimeter. Next, ensure the transistor and resistor are connected in the correct orientation. Next, handle all components gently to avoid damage. Lastly, follow laboratory safety rules as stated in previous practical. So, I will pass to Nisa to explain about materials and tools.
Antara bahan yang digunakan adalah bakalan kuasa DC, multimeter digital, transistor DC107 atau 2M3904 dan 3 nilai perintah 5.6K, 6.8K dan 4.7K ohm.
I will present the procedure. First, connect the circuit as shown in figure 4.1. Then, switch on the power supply and set it to 12 volts. Next, use the multimeter to measure IB, IC, IE, VB, VBE, VE, and VCE. Finally, record all the readings in table 4.1. VCC for the result. VCC is 15 volts, IB equal to 11.3 microamps, IC equal to 1.13 milliamps, and IE equal to 1.14 milliamps. VB equal to 6.07 volt, VBE equal to 0.7 volts, VE equals to 5.37 volt, and VCE equal to 9.63 volt. Using the formula RE equal to 25 millivolts divided by 1.14 milliamps, giving 21.93 ohm. The voltage gain AV equal to 4.7K divided by 4.7K plus 21.93, resulting in AV equal to 0.996 M, approximately equal to 1.
1, the calculated voltage gain AV is 0.996, which is approximately equals to 1. The means the common collector amplifier has no voltage amplification, but it provides high current gain and low output impedance. It is mainly used a buffer stage in electronic circuit. Question 2. What can you observe from table 4.1 when the power supply is increased? When the supply voltage increase, the collector current IC and emitter current IE both increase slightly. This shows that the transistor allows more current to flow, but the voltage gain remains almost the same, around 1. Therefore, we can conclude that increasing the supply voltage mainly increases the current but does not change the voltage gain of the CC amplifier. I will pass this to Melissa. No, you tiba-tiba gue berantau tentang cila. Weh, mayok kata lagi.
Conclusion bagi presentation kami pada hari ini adalah kesimpulannya common collector amplifier menghasilkan penguatan voltage hampir sama dengan 1 dan digunakan lebih kepada penguatan arus. Dari amal ini, saya belajar cara ukur parameter transistor dengan betul dan faham cara kerja emitter flower. Secara tak langsung, aktiviti ini juga bantu saya tingkatkan kemahiran teknikal dan komunikasi.
Bye. Bye. Tutup.